Get ready, tech enthusiasts, because today we're diving deep into the highly anticipated release of the Samsung Galaxy S24. But hold on a second, because in this video, we're going against the grain and exploring the road less traveled. Buckle up as we uncover the lesser-discussed side of the story, reasons why you might want to think twice before grabbing that shiny new Galaxy S24. Don't forget to hit that like button and hit subscribe if you're all about this kind of thought-provoking content. No more waiting, let's jump right in and uncover the truth. Screen redesign Letdown. For all you tech aficionados out there yearning for a radical visual overhaul in the upcoming Galaxy S24 series, well, brace yourselves, because initial whispers suggest that the design won't be taking a quantum leap from its Galaxy S23 predecessors. Now, before you let out a sigh of disappointment, let me clarify. While we're not talking about identical twins here, it seems like the Galaxy S24 might share more than a few family resemblances with its older sibling. So if the Galaxy S23's aesthetics and tactile experience didn't quite hit the mark for you, you might be at a crossroads when considering whether to bide your time for the Galaxy S24. Camera. Rumor has it that the S24 Ultra might just be taking a step back in time, sharing its primary image sensor with its predecessor, the impressive S23 Ultra. But that's not all. Brace yourselves, as the S25 Ultra, Samsung's next flagship, might also hop on the bandwagon with a proven 200-megapixel ISO P2 image sensor. Pause for a moment. Doesn't this seem familiar? Indeed, Samsung seems to be drawing inspiration from its own playbook, continuing the camera sensor legacy across 3 generations, from the iconic Galaxy S20 Ultra to the stunning S22 Ultra. And let's not forget Google, who's also no stranger to sensor continuity, maintaining a consistent pattern across 4 generations in their Pixel lineup. But here's the twist, the story doesn't end there. Whispers suggest the S24 Ultra's selfie game might follow suit, with the return of the 12-megapixel f-stop 2.2 front-facing module. Get ready for a tech deja vu spectacle. Now you might wonder why the repetition in the sensor realm. It's a thought-provoking question as we find ourselves in a moment where sensor innovation seems to be taking a breather. As we unravel this intriguing puzzle and contemplate the focus on sensor continuity, one thing's clear: the tech landscape is forever shifting, and the future remains as unpredictable as ever. Wait for more information. If you're teetering on the edge of your next smartphone move, here's a tidbit that might just tip the scales. The Galaxy S24 leaks are in full swing, and trust me, they're just getting started. So before you hit that purchase button, hold on to your pixels, as the months ahead are poised to be an info-packed spectacle, revealing the Galaxy S24's juicy details, its stunning display, sleek design, potential S Pen magic, and a whole lot more. Picture this: leaks acting as puzzle pieces, gradually filling in the picture, giving you a crystal-clear glimpse into Samsung's grand scheme. And let's be real, who wouldn't want a backstage pass to that kind of tech extravaganza? Imagine making an informed choice about whether to hang tight for the Galaxy S24 or take a different road before it sweeps onto the scene. Here's the thing: the smartphone arena is anything but static, and the pace can be exhilarating. We're talking potential big moves from Apple, rumored to be shaking up the iPhone universe in 2023, which could very well set a tone for Samsung's dance in 2024. So whether you're a Pixel perfectionist or a feature fanatic, staying in the loop could be the smartest step you take in the smartphone shuffle. Having delved into a few drawbacks, let's pivot gears and achieve equilibrium in this video. But fear not, for we're not just about critiques. We're here to shed light on the flip side and present you with compelling reasons why the purchase button might just be your next click. Good performance. While the Galaxy S23, iPhone 14, and OnePlus 11 already set the bar high for performance, the upcoming Galaxy S24 series is gearing up to raise the stakes even further. And I'm not just talking about the processor here. Picture this: the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra are about to make their grand entrance, flaunting a brand new processor that's set to blow our minds. Rumor has it that Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip will be at the heart of this powerhouse trio, with an anticipated launch later this year. We've got whispers about its jaw-dropping specs, from a revamped CPU and GPU configuration to lightning-fast performance that'll leave your head spinning. But wait, there's more. Brace yourselves, because a fascinating twist is in store. Reports suggest that some Galaxy S24 models might march to the beat of a different drum, powered by a fresh Exynos chip from Samsung. Executives have spilled the beans on this comeback, and insiders are buzzing about the new Exynos 2400 processor on the horizon. Hold your horses, though, because there's an even juicier tidbit. Leaks hint at a memory boost with a possible 12 gigabytes of RAM for the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus, and a jaw-dropping 16 gigabytes of RAM for the Ultra variant. That means snappy speeds and buttery-smooth multitasking, tailor-made for the tech-savvy multitasker in you. But that's not all, my friends. The Galaxy S24 series is set to unleash a barrage of cutting-edge features. Picture faster UFC 4.1 storage, a new modem for blazing connectivity, and the potential crown jewel, Wi-Fi 7. Yep, you heard that right. Samsung might just be the trailblazer yet again, becoming the first Android champ to embrace the latest Wi-Fi tech. And there's a tantalizing teaser on the charging front too. Whispers of a zippy 65-watt wireless charging for the Galaxy S24 Ultra could potentially mark a groundbreaking moment, putting this flagship in a league of its own. So if you've been eyeing your wallet, contemplating your next smartphone move, you might just want to pause and let the anticipation sink in. Satellite connectivity. You might recall the buzz surrounding the Galaxy S23 series. While it missed a mark, fear not, because all indicators are pointing towards the upcoming Galaxy S24 series hitting the bullseye. Now listen up, because this is where it gets exciting. Word on the digital streets hints at a groundbreaking addition: satellite connectivity. Yes, you read that right. Think of it as a digital lifeline that could put the Galaxy S24 series on par with Apple's iPhone 14 lineup. Let's break it down. Imagine having the ability to send text messages using satellite networks. Pause and let that sink in. This isn't just another feature, it's a potential game changer, especially for those of you who embark on remote adventures where traditional cell service is a distant dream. Picture those off-the-grid camping escapades, those rugged hikes into the unknown, or those road trips to destinations untouched by cell towers. With satellite connectivity, you're not just staying connected, you're breaking barriers and ensuring communication regardless of your whereabouts. Wait, there's more. This isn't a tech fantasy. Apple's iPhone 14 series has already showcased the real-world potential of this innovation. Now imagine wielding that power in your hand with the Galaxy S24 series. For all you thrill seekers and explorers, this could be the silver lining you've been waiting for. Satellite connectivity might just redefine how we stay in touch, revolutionizing connectivity no matter where life's adventures lead us. Price. When it comes to pricing, there's a twist that could sway buyers. Think about this. The Galaxy S24 series might just stick to its current pricing strategy, with options hovering around $799, $999, and $1,199. Now, why is this a win? Let's break it down. Imagine getting your hands on flagship-level innovation, all without leaving your wallet in a panic. This could be your golden ticket to boasting cutting-edge tech, flaunting style, and enjoying top-notch performance without that looming sticker shock. And for our pals across the pond and down under, take note. Lessons from the past might lead to a more wallet-friendly experience this time. If the Galaxy S24 follows suit with friendly pricing, it's a win-win, ensuring premium doesn't mean unaffordable. And there you have it, folks. That wraps up today's riveting dive into the realm of the upcoming Galaxy S24 series. We've laid out all the essentials, presented both sides of the coin, and now it's time for the ultimate question. Will you be adding this tech marvel to your arsenal? We're dying to hear your thoughts, so drop your insights in the comments below. And of course, if you've enjoyed this tech-packed journey, a thumbs up and a subscribe would mean the world to us. Keep those notifications on, because we'll be back before you know it with another dose of electrifying tech exploration. Until then, stay curious and tech on.